Hey everyone, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV plug-in hybrid, and it's a 2016 plate. What we've done on this vehicle is we installed the StarLine E9 alarm. Now the way this StarLine E9 alarm works is you need a tag. If you don't have the tag with you and you open the door, it's going to set the alarm off. And so what thieves do these days is they copy the key frequency of your keyless keys and they relay back to your car, and they're able to open it and disarm the system. But with this one, it will set the alarm off the moment they were to unlock the door. So let's say they copy your key, they unlock your car, they get in, but the moment they open the door, after a few seconds, alarm goes off, and also the car is fully disabled, so you cannot turn the car on. It's fully locked. So you need to have the tag with you to be able to drive the vehicle. So let me get the tag. Okay, so I got the tag with me now. I'm just going to disable the system. Okay, and now I can turn the car on as normal. So it's fully hands-free. You don't need to press anything. You only need to press the tag if the system gets set off, and you disarm it with the tag. But otherwise, when you walk into the car, you unlock the car normally. Just need to have the tag with you, and when the tag's present, it will disarm the system automatically. So yeah, if you want the system installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gants Hill, to inquire more about the system. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe to our videos, guys.